Hello guys, welcome to Gladdy Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to quit agency on your Poppolive account. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Poppolive app. The next thing you have to do is to tap on your profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. Tapping on it, you're going to see an option for help. You just have to tap on it and you just have to allow it to boot. It's going to take some time though. So the next thing you have to do here is to scroll down. You're going to see an option called how to quit an agency. You just have to tap at the toggle close to it and see the requirement for you to be able to quit an agency. Please kindly send the quitting agency application in my agent. Then wait for your agent approval. If your agent agrees that you leave the agency, you'll be removed from the agency automatically. So what you have to do now is you're going to see an option called My Agency. You should just have to tap on it if you already joined an agency and you want to really quit your agency. Enter the agent ID and send an application. But before then, remember that after joining an agency, hosts cannot leave agency without valid reason. You must have a valid reason before you be able to leave your agency. Hosts cannot join multi-agents. So you have to have a single agent that you have joined before you have your reason of leaving. You cannot join and still want to join another agent. Agents cannot join other agents. So please put this in mind before you send your application to quit an agency on Poppo Live in so that it will work for you. So guys, if this video was helpful, do want to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to always get helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.